The health check platform comes with dashboards that provide different lenses into the data completed as part of the main assurance assessment process. The standard dashboard reports include: Dashboard 1 is called Risk Materiality by Compliance Rating, which summarizes obligations assessed as having potential exposure for non-compliance, assessed against the severity of the regulatory risk resulting from being assessed as non-compliant. Dashboard 2 is called Priority by Compliance Rating, which summarizes obligations assessed as being a high priority, particularly where the compliance assessment has highlighted potentially non-compliant obligations. Dashboard 3 is called Policy Name by Compliance Rating, which summarizes the internal policies and procedures most frequently associated with non-compliance across different obligations. Dashboard 4 is called Policy Group Owner by Compliance Rating, which summarizes the functional and individual owners of policies and procedures most frequently associated with non-compliance across different obligations. Dashboard 5 is called Policy Owner by Compliance Rating, which summarizes the individual policy or procedure owner most frequently associated with non-compliance across different obligations. Dashboard 6 is called Policy Name by Risk Materiality, which summarizes internal policies and procedures most frequently associated with higher risk materiality obligations. Dashboard 7 is called Policy Group Owner by Risk Materiality, which summarizes the functional and individual owners of policies and procedures most frequently associated with higher risk materiality across different obligations. Dashboard 8 is called the Policy Owner by Risk Materiality, which summarizes the individual policy or procedure owner most frequently associated with higher risk materiality across different obligations. And finally, Dashboard 9 is called the Control Tests Summary, which summarizes the extensiveness of control testing that has been performed for each assessment, as well as a breakdown of the design effectiveness, meaning whether controls are present and fit for purpose, and operational effectiveness, meaning whether controls have been implemented and are operating effectively.